Good day everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm Sawa Salim will present you a fascinating and rapidly evolving topic of cloud computing. In today's digital age where technology is a forefront of innovation, cloud computing has emerged as a game changer, revolutionizing the way of individuals and business stores access and process data. It has transformed the landscape of IT infrastructure and opened up a world of possibilities for organizations of all sizes. So, what exactly is a cloud computing? Put simply, it refers to the delivery of computing resources over the internet, allowing users to get access to a vast array of services, applications without the need for on-premises infrastructure. It offers the ability to store and process data on remote servers, granting user access and the flexibility to scale up resources up or down based on their needs. During this presentation, we will explore the key concept and benefit of cloud computing. Well, delve into the various development models such as public, private, and hybrid cloud, and discuss their respective advantages and consideration. Well, also look at the different service model, which is infrastructure as services (IaaS), platform as services (PaaS), and software as services (SaaS), and understand how they cater to different requirements. Furthermore, we'll discuss numerous benefits that cloud computing bring to the table, from enhanced flexibility and scalability to improve collaboration and cost efficiency. Cloud computing empower organizations to streamline their operation and achieve a greater agility in digital era. Well, also, we address some common concerns surrounding cloud computing, such as data security, privacy, and regulatory compliance. Understanding this aspect is essential for making informed decisions and implementing robust cloud strategies. And without further ado, let's embark on this exciting journey into real-time cloud computing. Okay, now we need to know what is cloud computing. Cloud computing is a transformative technology that allow users to access computing resources and services over the internet, such that it will eliminate the needs for physical infrastructure by providing virtual storage, servers, database, networking, and software applications. In other words, instead of relying on local servers and hardware, cloud computing enables organizations to leverage remote data centers free by cloud service providers. Cloud computing offers several distinct advantages. First, it provides unparalleled flexibility and agility. Users can access their application and data from anywhere using any device with an internet connection. This enables remote work, collaboration, and real-time access to information. Second, cloud computing reduces burden of infrastructure management as responsibility for hardware maintenance, software update, and security patch lies with the cloud service provider. Finally, as the pay-as-you-go pricing models allow organizations to optimize the cost while paying for the resource consumed, making cost-effective solution compared to traditional on-premises infrastructures. In summary, cloud computing revolutionized the way business and individuals consume and manage computing resources. It offers flexibility, scalability, cost efficiency, and ease of management. By leveraging cloud services, organizations can focus on their core competencies, enhance enhance collaboration, and rapidly adapt to changing business needs in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Yes, we move to the next cloud services models to what is the cloud services models? Let me brief you a bit. These refer to the categories or type of services that offered by cloud computing providers. This service model defines the level of control and responsibility that users have their own computing resources, application, and data in cloud. The three primary cloud services, which we start with the IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service. Okay, let's deep dive. What is the IaaS? IaaS provide the foundation infrastructure component needed for computing, including virtualized server, storage, networking, and operating system. With IaaS, users have the highest level of control over their computing environment, as they are responsible to managing and maintaining the operating system, application, and also the data. They can install and configure the software and have full control over the infrastructure, while the cloud provider manage the physical hardware and underlying virtualization infrastructure. Secondly, is a platform as services as PaaS. What is it? This they offer a higher level of abstraction, providing a platform on which users can develop, deploy, and manage their application. PaaS eliminates the need for users to worry about underlying infrastructure, operating system, and also hardware. User can focus on application development, customization, and deployment, while the cloud provider manage the infrastructure. Including server, storage, and networking. PaaS often include additional services such as database, development, framework, and deploy tools, simplifying the application development and deploy the process. Next, we go to the software as a services, SaaS. What is SaaS? These offer also a high level of abstraction in the cloud service model, which SaaS uses SaaS and software applications that are hosted and provided by the cloud services provider over the internet. Users do not need to manage or control underlying infrastructures, operating system, or application code. They simply use the software application through web or browser thin client. Example of SaaS include web-based email services, customer relationship management (CRM) software, or collaboration tools like document sharing, project management platform. Each cloud services model offers a different level of control, flexibility, and management responsibility. Organizations can choose the service model that best suit their needs and requirements, allowing them to focus on their core business function while leveraging the benefit of cloud computing. Now we move to the type of cloud computing. Cloud computing can be categorized into several types based on the deployment pattern and level of accessibility. The common type of cloud computing are public cloud, private cloud, and private cloud. So what is exactly the public cloud? Public cloud refers to cloud services that are made available to general public or a large number of organizations. These services are hosted and operated by third-party cloud service providers. Public cloud services are accessible over the internet, and the underlying infrastructure and resources are shared for multiple users or organizations. Examples of public cloud providers including Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform GCP. Next, we move to private cloud. This is dedicated to a single organization and is not shared with other organizations. It can be physically located on premises within an organization's own data centers or hosted by third-party providers. Private cloud offers greater controls, security, customization options compared to public cloud services. It is ideal for organizations with specific compliance, security, or performance requirements. Next, we have hybrid cloud, which is a combine of these two, both public and cloud services. It allows organizations to leverage the benefit of public cloud, such as scalability and cost efficiency, while keeping sensitive data or critical applications within a private cloud environment. Such that hybrid cloud offers flexibility and enables seamless data and application integration between public and private clouds. It allows organizations to maintain control over sensitive data while taking advantage of scalability and cost benefit of public cloud services. And this type of cloud computing provides organizations with different options for deploying their application, managing data, and utilizing computer resources. Each type has its own advantages and consideration, and organization can choose the most suitable type of combination based on their specific needs, compliance requirement, and budgetary constraints. Now we move to the benefit of cloud computing. Cloud computing offers numerous benefits that have transformed the way organizations operate and utilize technology. Some key advantages of cloud computing include: first one is the scalability, flexibility, which is cloud computing provides unparalleled scalability, allowing organizations to easily scale their computing resources up or down based on demand. Whether it's a sudden spike in website or the need for additional storage, cloud services can quickly, seamlessly adjust to meet the changing requirement. This scalability provides organizations the flexibility to adapt and grow their operations without the need for significant upfront investments or infrastructure. Secondly, we move to the cost efficiency, which is cloud computing follow as pay as you go model, whereby organization only pay for resources and services they actually use. This will eliminate for large upfront capital expenses for hardware and infrastructures. The third one, we move to disaster recovery and business continuity, which is cloud computing offer robust data backup, disaster recovery, and business continuity capabilities. Cloud services provided typically have multiple data centers in a different geographical location, ensuring the data redundancy and minimizing the risk of the data loss. Overall, cloud computing offers organizations the ability to focus on their core business function while leveraging flexible, cost-effective, and secure computing resources. It promotes agility, scalability, collaboration, and also innovation, empowering organizations to adapt to market dynamics and drive business growth. Now we move to risk of cloud computing. While cloud computing offers numerous benefits, it is important to be aware of potential risks and challenges associated with this adoption. Some key risks of cloud computing include data security and privacy. This part, storing data in the cloud means entrusting it to the third-party provider. This raises concern about data security and privacy. Organizations need to carefully evaluate the security measures implemented by the cloud provider, including encryption, access control, and vulnerability management. It is crucial to ensure that appropriate measures are in place to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access, data breach, or data loss. Next, we move to the service disruption and downtime, which cloud service providers may experience service disruption or downtime due to various factors such as hardware failure, network outage, or cyber attack. Organizations only relying heavily on cloud services may face interruption on their operation if the service becomes unavailable. It is important to have contingency plan, backup system, and disaster recovery strategies to mitigate the impact of service disruption and ensure business continuity. Third one, we move to the vendor lock-in, which cloud providers often offer proprietary technologies and tools that may create a vendor lock-in situations. Once an organization has heavily invested in specific cloud providers ecosystem, transitioning to another provider or bringing back services back in-house can be complex, time-consuming, and costly. Organizations should carefully consider long-term implications and potential difficulty of switching provider and avoid vendor lock-in. Now we move to the regulatory and compliance challenge. This depending on the industry and geographical location, organization may be subject to specific regulation and compliance requirements regarding data, privacy, security, and residency. We also need to ensure that cloud services comply with this regulation and that appropriate data handling practices are in place crucial. Organizations must have clear understanding of the legal and regulatory implications of using cloud services and ensure compliance with applicable standards. By addressing these risks proactively and implementing appropriate security measures, organizations can confidently embrace cloud computing and leverage their benefits while ensuring the protection of their data and maintaining business continuity. In conclusion, cloud computing has revolutionized the way organizations operate and leverage technology. Its scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency and accessibility have transformed the business landscape, enabling organizations to focus on their core competency while harnessing the power of shared computer resource. Cloud computing has fostered collaboration, innovation, and agility, allowing business to respond rapidly to the market changes and drive growth. However, it is essential to recognize and address the risks associated with cloud computing, such as data security, service disruption, vendor lock-in, and compliance challenge. Organizations must implement robust security measures, establish contingency plans, carefully evaluate cloud services provided to mitigate this risk and ensure protection of their data and operations. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all of you for being here today in the sharing on cloud computing. I hope that the insight shared have provided you a better understanding of the benefit, the risks involved in adopting cloud computing. As technology continues to evolve, embracing cloud computing can offer tremendous opportunity for organizations organization to thrive in the digital era. Alright, thank you again for your attention. I hope you have get an insight on this slide. You may refer this recording afterward. Yeah, thank you.